Good morning, students. Welcome to this radio class. I am Rama Dodari, an English teacher from Sri Janak Secondary School. Today, we are going to study Unit 1. Yes, and from Unit 1, we are going to study the writing section of Unit 1, that's on page number 10 and 11. We are going to read the text, and afterwards we are going to study, or we are going to write the exercises. We are going to do the exercises mentioned in our textbook on page number 10 and 11. So, dear students, today we are going to study about invitation card and how to write the invitation card. Before that, let's discuss something about invitation card. As you all know, what is invitation card? An invitation card is a printed card. Where a written request for a person's presence at any event or function is developed. Yes, I am going to repeat it again. An invitation card is a printed card where a written request for a person's presence at any event or function is developed. Now, this is the definition of invitation card. Dear students, have you ever seen any invitation card? Have you ever seen any invitation card? I hope you all have seen many invitation cards. You may have different kinds of cards, invitation cards at your home. For example, you may have read invitation card of marriage ceremony, birthday celebration, inauguration ceremony. Inauguration means opening ceremony, yes. Anniversary celebration, weaning ceremony, that means rice feeding ceremony of children, yes. Guniu Cholo celebration, Parents' Day celebration, Annual Day celebration. These are some of the examples that invitation cards are prepared and invitation cards are sent in these occasions. And in other occasions also, invitation cards are written and sent. And in invitation cards, while preparing invitation card, there are limited words. Yes, we use only limited words in invitation cards. Now, let's discuss who write invitation card. Who write invitation card? The person who wants to invite. The person who wants to invite others to his or her function or event write invitation card. They send invitation card to the person whom they are wanting or whom they want to invite to the function or any event they have in their house, office, schools, yes, organizations, etc. Why do we write it? Why do we write invitation card? We write invitation card to invite other people to celebrate or participate in our function or event. We write invitation card to invite other people to celebrate or participate in our function or event. For that reason, we write invitation card. Now, dear students, let's study. Let's have an observation. Let's have the analysis of the invitation card that is mentioned in our textbook. Engage yourself. Read the following invitation card and discuss the given questions in a pair. And after that, in a box there is a sample of invitation card. Now let's read it. Dear students, please listen to me and please look at your books on page number 10. It is in a box, yes? The invitation card is in a box. Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi. That's in the bold letter, yes? Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter Karuna with Kavi, son of Mr. G.S. Paudel and Mrs. N. Adhikari, on February 23rd, 2018 at Vision Party Palace, Damak, and afterwards for the reception at Hotel Diamond View, Damak, Jhapa, RSVP 980000. In this way, this invitation card is written. Now let's analyze of the invitation card. In this invitation card, Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi is in the bold letter. Request. Who request? Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter. That means Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi's daughter is going to marry and they are inviting for their daughter's marriage. And what is their daughter's name? Dear students, can you answer? What is their daughter's name? This daughter name is Karuna. That means Karuna is a bride, yes? And whom she is going to marry? With whom is she going to marry? She is going to marry with Kavi. And Kavi is a son of Mr. G.S. Paudel and Mrs. N. Adhikari. Yes, Kavi is the son of Mr. G.S. Paudel and Mrs. N. Adhikari. Kavi is a bridegroom. On February 23rd, 2018, that means they are going to have marriage ceremony on February 23rd, 2018 is the date they are going to marry at Vision Party Palace, Damak. Where are they going to have marriage ceremony? Dear students, what's the answer? Vision Party Palace, Damak. Vision Party Palace, Damak, they are going to have marriage ceremony. And afterwards for the reception at Hotel Diamond View. And after marriage they are going to have reception party at Hotel Diamond View, Damak, Jhapa. Dear students, the last line RSVP is written in capital letter, yes? And the number is given over there. It is imaginary number, that's why 980000 it is written in that way. But in real invitation card, real numbers, cell number, contact number is written there. And you may be in confusion. What does RSVP mean? RSVP, this is a French word, yes, which means please reply soon. RSVP means please reply soon in English, but this is a French word. Now in this way you can prepare invitation card. This is only one example. There are many ways to write invitation card. This is only a sample. You can write invitation card using different style. You can use decoration also, okay? Now, dear students, let's discuss the questions mentioned in your textbook on page number 10. Question number A is, who is Karuna? Who is Karuna? Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter Karuna. That means Karuna is a bride. Yes? Who is Karuna? Karuna is a bride, or Karuna is the daughter of Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi. Question number B. Name the parents of the bride and bridegroom. Now what does bride and bridegroom mean? Bride means behuli, yes, and bridegroom means behula. That means you have to write the parents' names of bride and bridegroom. The parents of bride are Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi. And the name of the parents of bridegroom are Mr. G.S. Paudel and Mrs. N. Adhikari. Question number C, let's discuss about it. When is the marriage ceremony? That means you have to mention the date of marriage ceremony. February 23rd, 2018 is the date of marriage ceremony, or the marriage ceremony is on February 23rd, 2018. In this way, you can write the answer. Now, question number D. Where is the event going to take place? Where is the event going to take place? Now, in this question, you have to write down the place where the marriage ceremony is going to take. Yes? That means the answer is, the marriage or the event is going to take place at Bijan Party Palace, Damak. The event is going to take place at Bijan Party Palace, Damak. These are some of the questions asked in your textbook. And please, dear students, please look at the next page, page number 11. Question number B. Time for writing. Question number 1. Prepare a similar invitation card using the following information. Prepare a similar invitation card using the following information. Some informations is given here, and after reading the information, you have to make similar invitation card. The information is bride, Rupa, parents, Mr. P.P. Rawat and Mrs. L. Yadav. What's the name of the bride? Rupa. Parents, Mr. P.P. Rawat and Mrs. L. Yadav. Bridegroom, Beula. The name of bridegroom is Kesar. Who are the parents? Mr. R. N. Chaudhary and Mrs. G. Mohato. Mr. R. N. Chaudhary and Mrs. G. Mohato. Date January 12, 2018. Place Bhrikuti Party Palace. Bhrikuti Party Palace, Putwal. Hotel A to Z, Chowraha, Butwal 97000. is the number given over there. After reading these information, you have to make invitation card observing the card on page number 10. And it is not so much hard. Yes, you can replace the name of bride, bridegroom, bride parents, bridegroom parents, date, place, and in this way you can write invitation card. It is very easy. Yes, for example, first of all you have to write parents of bride. That means Mr. P.P. Rawat and Mrs. L. Yadav request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter. Now what is her name? Rupa. Yes, now you have to write Rupa with whom is she going to marry? Kesar. With Kesar, son of Mr. R. N. Chaudhary and Mrs. G. Mohato on January 12, 2018 at Brikoti Party Palace, Butwal, and afterwards for the reception at A to Z Hotel A to Z Chouraha, Butwal. RSVP 97000000. You can write invitation card. You can prepare invitation card using this sample. And it is not, as I have already told you, it is not only the way to write to prepare invitation card. There are different kinds of cards. You can write it in a different ways also. For example, when writing invitation card, when you request the other people whom you are wanting to invite, you can write it in a different way. For example, instead of Mr. C.P. Misra and Mrs. K. Regmi request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter, you can write invite you to join them in celebrating the marriage of their son daughter. Dear students, listen again. Instead of request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter, you can write invite you to join them in celebrating the marriage of their daughter or son. Or you can write in different way also. Cordially request the pleasure of your company on the joyous marriage ceremony of their son daughter. You can replace this expression using this expression, or you can use other expression as well. And while writing or while making invitation card, you can make it attractive. For example, you may use stylish handwriting to make the card attractive. You can write it in a stylish way to make the card attractive, so that the card looks attractive. Or you can decorate using color in the invitation card. You can draw pictures, simple pictures, flowers. Yes, you can decorate the card so that it looks attractive. You can write the main words in bold letters. In this way also you can make your invitation card attractive. You can write, you can make the card attractive as you can. In our community also, when we get invitation card, we find different kinds of cards, very attractive cards. We get different kinds of very attractive cards also. You can make the cards attractive. That depends upon you. Yes, you can make whatever, however you like, as attractive as you like, and you can follow this sample or you can follow different samples. There are different samples, so you can follow different sample or you can write, you can make it different yourself. That depends upon you. Now, dear students, I hope you all are clear about preparing invitation card. Now, let's discuss about question number 2. That is in your textbook, page number 11. Question number 2. Imagine your brother had an engagement with a girl. Imagine your brother had an engagement with a girl. Draft an invitation card for his marriage and show it to your teacher. This is the question asked in your textbook. So, for this question, you can't imagine. Yes, that means your brother had an engagement with a girl. Now, for that marriage ceremony, you have to prepare an invitation card. Now, you can prepare the invitation card in this way. Mr. Ram Adhikari and Mrs. Bhanu Khanal cordially request the pleasure of your company on the joyous marriage ceremony of their son. You have to write son because your brother, the question is your brother had an engagement with a girl. I am going to repeat it again. Mr. Ram Adhikari and Mrs. Bhanu Khanal cordially request the pleasure of your company on the joyous marriage ceremony of their son Ramesh Adhikari. What's the name of bridegroom? Ramesh Adhikari with Neelam Bhattarai. Who is Neelam Bhattarai? Bride. Daughter of Mr. Bharat Bhattarai and Mrs. Soni Paudel. On 26th June 2020 at Kutumba Resort, Pakundevesi, and afterwards for the reception at Pakunde Party Palace, Navabuddha Kabre, RSVP 980000. In this way, you can prepare your invitation card. Dear students, I am going to repeat it again. Please listen to me carefully. Mr. Ram Adhikari and Mrs. Bhanu Khanal. First of all, you write the name of your parents. Yes, in this question. Mr. Ram Adhikari and Mrs. Bhanu Khanal is the parent of bridegroom. Who is bridegroom? Your brother. Yes, Ramesh Adhikari. You can write the name of your own brother. I have imagined and I wrote it here. Mr. Ram Adhikari and Mrs. Bhanu Khanal cordially request. Here, I didn't write request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter, their son, because you have to write, you have to prepare an invitation card different from others. Yes, try to write something different. Don't write the same expression again and again. Change the words, change the phrases. That's why I didn't write request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter. And in this case, while writing this expression, if you don't know other things to write, you can write these things also. You can repeat it again because something is better than nothing. You can write, but if you can, change the expression. Therefore, I have also changed the expression and wrote this expression over here. Mr. Ram Adhikari and Mrs. Banu Khanal cordially request the pleasure of your company on the joyous marriage ceremony of their son Ramesh Adhikari with Neelam Bhattarai, daughter of Mr. Bharat Bhattarai and Mrs. Soni Paudel, on 26th June 2020 at Kutumba Resort. The place is Kutumba Resort, Pakundevechi, and afterwards for the reception at Pakunde Party Palace. And afterwards the reception party is going to held at Pakunde Party Palace. Nawabuddha Cabaret is the address, and you have to write RSVP on the left hand side of the page. And you have to prepare invitation card in a box. Yes, you have to prepare a box, and after that you write it, and after that you decorate it with pictures, colors. Yes, you can use different colors, you can use different pictures, simple pictures, and you can write invitation card. Dear students, I hope now you are able to prepare invitation cards. And while preparing invitation cards, if you have any difficulties, you can look at your book, or you can suggest me, you can write me, you can ask me about preparing invitation card if you have any confusion. But I think you will be able to prepare invitation card looking at your book also. It's not so much hard for you. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a good day. Thank you.